for myself, P. Ganga MS Reddy, and important Java IO. The bring in all standards Java IO classes, file reader, buffer reader, file input stream, and public class file word reverser, public static byte reverser word using a char string input file, string output files, and main class variables. Reverse words in file is the program name class, and input file is the source file. Read the original story, and temp file is the intermediate file we write using a character streams, and string line, while line is equal to buffer read line and null. String reversed line is to reverse each word between right and reversed lines. All all file operations are placed inside tries. So if you error happen, if file not found, and the catch will handle them and print a message inside the crashing the programming. System.out println character stream processing completed, output to return a file, and catch expansion. System.println character stream error, get a message. Public static avoiding reverse word using a by stream, using a input file, string output file, and read using a character stream. File reader plus buffer reader. File reader reads raw characters from a stored text. Buffer reader wraps file reader to read efficiently and provide read line, and a whole line at a time. If temp size greater than 0 byte, word bytes equals to temp dot byte array, reverse byte array word bytes, and system dot out println byte stream processing a complete out return to output file. Catch expansion IO stream error println byte system error, and get message. Private static string raw each word string words line build string builder result is new string builder, and close the reader and write to free system resource and any buffer data to disk. Copy using a byte stream, file input stream, file output stream, file input stream, file output stream. File input stream read a raw byte from the temp file, and file output streams writes a raw bytes to final reverse store dot test. This loop this loop reads one byte at a time and writes it efficient copying file but byte level, and private static reverse array in left is 0 and right is array length -1. The helper method reverses each word. Removing a tra- trailing space at the end before turning ex- ex- things to watch the possible improvement. Res- resource management use a try with resource automatic close stream even when express occur, and public static avoiding main string input file store dot text and string output file. Reverse store characters and reverse word using a character stream input file and char output file. String byte reverse bytes and reverse word string input file. Store text dot hello Java. My name is image reverse store by this is the reverse. Now go to the check. Second one, word counter. Important Java word important Java dot public class word counter. Public static word using a byte string file path. Word count is equals to 0. Public static in count using a byte stream using a file path and try file input stream in new file input stream file path and file builder content new string builder int I is equal while I is equals to -1 and is readed and slash -1 content appended char is close string words content to string and trim and split word count equals word dot length and then catch IO expectations system dot out printer error reading file using a byte stream and getting message and return to word count and string in file path file reader new file reader path and buffer reader new buffer reader and file reader and string line while line equals to buffer reader string read line and is equals to null catch system data print and read file using a character using a character streams and plus and a dot get message return what on a public static avoiding string arrays string file path and store dot text and in byte stream count word using a byte stream file path and system dot println and word count by stream plus by stream count and next input char stream count word using a character stream file path system dot println word count character streams and now other run the code and we'll see will come here output now move to the compulsory programming. And this two are